Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm showing you how to peel a garlic, this entire head of garlic in like 20 seconds or less. I've tried all the hacks on the internet. This is the best one. Okay, first thing that you need to do is cut your garlic in half. Crack it open. That smells delicious. Look inside there. We got one piece coming out already. All right, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your half. Rather than doing individual cloves and doing it that way, that's not what you're gonna do. That's gonna just take you way more time. You're going to give some good swats. And I mean good swats to your entire half of garlic. And then just peel this on off. Watch this, my friend. They're gonna pop on out. Boom! 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 And there we have all of our garlic pieces right here for our taking. Now I've seen a video where you put these in an entire bowl and you shake for like 20 seconds, but it actually takes longer when you shake it that way. If you have any stubborn ones, such as that one, oh, this is a really stubborn one. Yes, there we go. You might have to give it its own individual little whack that you saw right there. Look at this one right here. And then they just kind of fall on out. Look at that, right out, right out, right out. Now we have these nice garlic cloves. Just take the casing out right here. There we go. And out of the bunch, we had two that did not open on their own with the big group whack-a-rooney. Look at that, my friend. Ba ba ba, get those out of here. Again, the more pressure you apply, the easier those garlic pieces will come out. Look at all that. If you love food hacks, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe. Now I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.